think we will just test out some of these variables and see how we use them in real life. Okay, so I want to see the out of this particular directory, and yeah, let me create a new directory. Let's call that Lagos 03. That's where I'm going to be creating the file that I'll be using to demonstrate variables, how we can use variables. Okay, let's create a new file. I'll call it main.tf. There you go. So now I've got within the Lagos 03 folder, I've got this main.tf file. So I think we can actually use this particular one that we created earlier. Okay, we'll just adapt it a little bit. So I'm going to be copying and pasting here. So I've done that now. So I'm going to be creating a VPC. Okay, but what I want to do here is, instead of having this name tag by default, I want to ask from the developer. I want the developer to give a value, and I just want to call this maybe tag name. So I'll just give it like tag n. All right, so what's the type going to be? You want to make sure that you specify the type, and the type is meant to be a string, right? So we're expecting a string. Now when you do your Terraform apply, Terraform is going to ask the user to provide the value, the name tag for that particular resource that you're creating. So let's test that out now. So what we want to do now is to do your Terraform init. Remember, because this particular folder has not been previously initialized, so we need to initialize the project folder, Terraform init. All right, so that's ready for us now. So the project folder has been initialized. So let me do clear so that we move up a bit. So now the next thing to do will be Terraform validate. Terraform validate is going to validate your code for you, and then you move on to do Terraform plan. We want to see our desired state for the resources that we want to create now, right? Terraform plan. Can you see now Terraform is asking you for the value of the VPC name? So I'll just give it something funny like my VPC and then go. So when you do your Terraform plan, it's gonna ask you, because it definitely needs that, since it's been included as a tag, it's been included within tags braces, right? Plan want to add, you can see it's already added the value for that name tag right here, which is beautiful. Okay, so now if you go ahead and you do your Terraform, you're going to see that within your AWS at the moment I only have 2 VPCs, right? And just watch what happens to you've done your Terraform apply. So here I just want to give a value, maybe I call it real VPC, and then just enter like that. Terraform has begun to work. Do you want to perform these actions? Remember, Terraform is always asking just to ensure. I mean, there is a way you can automatically do like auto approve, but I don't really recommend that. I like to go this way, not yeah. You want to type yes, and you're saying to Terraform, go ahead and start to provision this particular resource for me. One resource has been added. Okay, let's go quickly and see. Refresh. Your real VPC is there now. So now, because I don't want to incur charges, I just want to do what? Tear down everything. Terraform destroy. So one resource has now been destroyed. So let's go back to our AWS and see. This was the resource, real VPC, right? And you see it's gone now. It's totally gone. What we've just seen is a demo of how you can use variables within your Terraform code. All right, thank you.